What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys your Monday motivation just like every single Monday. Now the topic of today's video is be confident. In this Monday motivation, I'm going to be talking about how you can be confident, why you need to be confident. I'm going to be talking about lack of confidence, a lot of different aspects of confidence, and hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to be feeling a lot more confident going into this week. So we're going to discuss the aspects, the factors of confidence, but right before we do that, you guys need to get some things out of the way first. Build your confidence today by dropping that thumbs up, hitting the thumbs up, hitting the like button. Please do that. It's great for your confidence. It's going to kickstart your week in the right way. Also, make sure you guys comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts on confidence. Let me know your thoughts on lack of confidence. Let me know your thoughts on how the video went. If you're ready for this week, let me know your thoughts on all of that in the comment section below. Also, make sure you guys share these videos with your friends. Help them get out to more people. Help more people build confidence. Help more people get excited, enthusiastic, ready to attack another week. And lastly, but not least, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit the red button below, above, wherever that red button is for you on the screen. But hit the red button, hit the notification bell, make sure the notifications are on, and of course subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this. Now, for confidence, the message of today's video. So recently, I've been doing a few different things, and through research, through looking at other people's behavior, through just, paying a bit of attention to how people do things, I've noticed that a lot of people lack confidence. Now, during that period of time, what I've also noticed is that lack of confidence doesn't really get talked about enough. Now, for those of you who saw my post from last night on Instagram, yes, you guys already know what I'm talking about today, and you kind of probably know where this conversation is going to go. But I just want to start by saying there are a lot of people out there who lack confidence. There are people who want to achieve, some kind of goal. I mean, everybody has some kind of goal they want to achieve, and a lot of people fail purely due to lack of confidence. Now, whether you lack the talent, whether you lack the ability, whether you lack, the actual possibility of doing things, that's a completely different other story. But purely down to lack of confidence, I know that people don't even get to understand whether they have the talents, whether they have the ability, whether they can actually do something. Again, purely because they don't have the faith in themselves, they don't have the belief first of all. Now the problem with that is you may have the talents, you may not have the talents, but without the faith, the belief in yourself, you're going to lose. So you need to start by building up the confidence in yourself. Now, I know that whoever's watching this video, you have tried to do things before and you've failed, you have lost. I know I've lost, I know I've failed, I know I've made mistakes, I've done things, I've tried to do things and not succeeded. But I'm still here, but I'm still trying. Those of you who are watching this video, can you say the same? Are you still trying to lose that amount of weight? Did you go on a treadmill for 10 weeks straight and not really lose a lot of weight? Did you go to the gym for 6 months straight and not see an ounce of muscle in your body develop? That may be you. Did you try do something in music, in sports, in school? Did you read 10 different books and still think you didn't become smarter? I don't know, there are so many different things that you guys could have done and failed with, and all these things may have thrown a dent in your confidence. But don't worry, I'm going to explain now how you can build up confidence to help you push forward. So if you want to build up confidence, you want to be that person who says, yeah, that's me, I'm it, I'm that guy, I'm that girl. To be honest, the very first thing you need to do is actually believe it. Because if you do believe it, that it's going to affect your confidence levels. Now, whether or not you are that guy or girl, whether or not you are who you think you are or you say you are, we can discuss that at a whole other time. But first of all, you got to believe you are. So I'm not saying you should be delusional, saying to someone, hey, I could probably make $5 billion within the next 3 months. I'm on Bill Gates level, I'm on Warren Buffett's level, I'm on Mark Zuckerberg's level, I'm on whoever's level. No, let's be realistic. But you can definitely say, hey, you know what? I might be able to start that online business and maybe within my next couple years, hit my first 6 figures, let's say. Or, I'm going to start to go into the gym and I hope by summer, I have my summer body intact. Yes, these things are unrealistic, but these things are also possible. But for them to be possible, you need to first believe it. Believe in yourself, believe what you're capable of. I'm going to run outside 7 a.m. for the next 3 weeks straight. That is not easy, by the way, and it sounds easy, but that's not easy. But if you believe it, you say it, you can make it happen. And the same goes for so many different areas of your life. You might want to finish the semester, well, at least I guess this semester is finished, but next semester with 4.0 average GPA. You can do that. You got to believe it. You got to tell yourself you can do it. And again, that comes down to believing in yourself, betting on yourself, telling yourself every time, no matter what happens, in my scenarios, I bet on myself. I pick myself to conquer. I pick myself to succeed. I pick myself to rise above all obstacles, all events, anything that is stopping me from getting to my goals. I pick myself, I bet on myself, and I'm going to bet on myself every single time. That is exactly how we build confidence, by believing in ourselves, by betting on ourselves. We can also build confidence by getting those small wins. I'm telling you guys, those small wins, they add up. Every single day, if you're just maybe reading, if you're just possibly learning a little bit more, taking in a bit more new information, invest in yourself, whether that's by form of payment or 3 ways. Getting better every day is a part of building up your confidence. When you get to the end of the week and you say, oh, this week I accomplished quite a lot. Oh, this month I accomplished more than expected. You can do great things, and it completely boosts your confidence. Gives you that confidence booster you need going into the next week or the next month or the next year, whatever the case may be. But you've got to start winning and start small. So build up your confidence by getting those small wins, and you can do that from today onwards. Okay, now I want to touch on people bringing you down, because that is going to happen in this world. Let's be honest, this world is a crazy world, and it's a world which is full of negativity. Now, one thing I want to point out is there are going to be people who try and bring you down. There are also going to be people who do bring you up and lift you up, which is good. But maybe I'd say they're a lot less common to find. What I'd say is definitely common is people who have a negative mindset towards what you want to do, towards what you want to accomplish, to maybe even what you have already accomplished. You know, I have had people doubt me, doubt my abilities, doubt what I'm going to do. And funny enough, I've had people doubt what I have already accomplished. That's not true. Show me proof. I bet that didn't happen. You'll see it everywhere. You might even see it on YouTube here. It's completely normal. That's the normal mentality in this world. And it's a crazy mentality. But let's be honest. There are people who wake up every day who actually prey on your downfall. You know, whether you believe it or not, you will encounter these people at some point or another in your life. There are people who prey on your downfall every single day. And this can destroy your confidence. Personally, it doesn't touch my confidence. If they want to doubt it, let them doubt it. It doesn't change anything, because at the same time you have all these people doubting you, hating on you, whatever you want to call it. You also have those who will support you, whether that comes from close family or friends, whether that comes from internet friends, whether that comes from people you don't know. You're going to have people who support you, and who you choose to listen to is up to you. But I'm just saying, there are people who are going to try and bring you down every single day. There are people who are going to hate on you. They're going to say all sorts of negative things about you. They're going to let their own negative mindset affect you. Now, whether that's because they haven't accomplished what you have accomplished, whether that's because they're jealous, whether that's because they're just non-believers, they just doubt everything, whatever the reason may be, we don't care about that. But we're not going to let other people bring us down. We're not going to let other people talk us out of what we want to do. We're not going to let other people stop us from achieving our dreams. And again, this week, I want you guys to remember that and enforce that in your life. Doesn't matter who the next person is, doesn't matter what they say. Don't let them have an impact on your life, because you set out to get specific goals. You set out to achieve certain things. And it doesn't matter who else is out there. They shouldn't have an impact on that. It's up to you to be confident. And again, that confidence is going to come from within or the outside. So you can rely on other people to tell you you're great, you're this or that. But I would much rather allow myself to tell me it, because then in the difficult times, I can tell myself, don't worry, you got this. You know, if you're letting other people influence you from the outside, maybe they start off by saying, yeah, you're good, go ahead, go after it. And then difficult times come, they're like, actually, no, you can't achieve that. And you're like, uh-oh, do I still listen to them? You don't want to be in that situation. So personally, I'd rather it comes from within. But yes, you will be affected by outside factors as well. Progress. Progress builds confidence. You put in time, you put in energy, you put in money, you put in effort, you put in hustle to what you want to do. That's going to build you confidence. Why? Because back to my point from earlier, you're going to start seeing wins. You're going to start seeing progress. You're going to start seeing yourself go from A to B, then B to C. You're going to start seeing yourself and go from 160 pounds to 158 pounds to 155 pounds to 150, and eventually to your desired 145. You're going to see yourself going from running on the track, running your mile time at, 6 minutes to 5:45 to 5:30 to, a mile in 5 minutes. So you're going to see those things happen after you make progress. You're going to see your grades switch from 4 A's, a B and a C, to 4 A's, 2 B's, to 4 A's, a B and a B plus, to eventually 6 A's or whatever. You're going to see those things happen, but it's going to take steps, it's going to take progress, it's going to take you actually building up your confidence because of the results you've earned, because of the results you've got, because of what you've accomplished. That's all going to come in due time. But that progress is key. You've got to find a way to push for that progress, because it's going to help you build your confidence. And it's a two-way street. As you get more confident, you're going to make more progress. As you can make more progress, you're going to get more confident. So it's a lovely situation. It's a great equation. And again, you've got to push hard for that progress. It's not going to be easy. It will cost you a lot of time, and time is our most valuable asset. It's going to cost you some money at some times, whether you have to pay to learn, whether you have to pay to just invest in yourself, to gain knowledge, whether you have to pay for someone to help you. I don't know, there's so many different ways you can pay money to invest in yourself, but you're going to have to do that. In addition to that, energy is going to be affected. You're going to have to use your energy wisely and put your energy towards what you want to focus on, not the distractions, not the things that are taking away your focus from the main goal. You're going to put your energy towards what's going to drive you to the next level, what's going to drive you forward, take you, lift you up, elevate you. So whatever form that comes into, put your energy towards that. So use your energy wisely as well, because you only have so much energy. And lastly, you're gonna have to make sacrifices. You absolutely have to make sacrifices. So if you need to start sleeping late, if you need to start waking up earlier, if you need to start quitting Netflix, if you have to start giving up the junk food, if you have to start taking more hours of your day to focus on what you want to do instead of what other people want you to do, if you have to cut off friends, if you have to start leaving places, living somewhere else, I don't know, there's so many different scenarios again that you guys may be focused on. But if you want to become more confident, make sacrifices, because you can show again, hey, I made this sacrifice, I know what I'm doing, I know the goal I'm trying to get to, I know the journey I'm on, I can make the sacrifices to get there, and I'm doing that. It builds confidence. This really is about boosting confidence, because the boosting confidence is going to get you to the results you want to see. Be confident this week, stand up tall, show who you are, and remind yourself who you are every day. Look in the mirror if you need to in the beginning of the day, before you go to sleep. Whatever you need to do to boost that confidence, tick off what you've done on a to-do list, write down what you've achieved, make a note of what you've done, but do track what you want to do, track your results. Make it clear to yourself that, hey, I wanted to do this today, I got this done. Maybe as you go into each day, make it clear, hey, I wanted to do this today. And as the day ends, you can tick off that off your list. You can even push it towards the next day, say, you know what, now I want to do double what I did yesterday. Or it might just help you into going to the next day, saying, yes, I accomplished what I wanted to do today, Monday. Now Tuesday, I feel good going into Tuesday, I feel great going into Wednesday, and so on and so forth. Boost up your confidence this week. Use the tips I've given you in today's video. Use the energy within you. If you need to use the outside energy, use that as well. But show yourself who you are. Remind yourself who you are with everything you do. I'm confident in what I do, and that's why it's going to take me far. You need to be confident in what you do if you want to get far. I'm telling you again, lift up yourself today. If you can't find the inspiration from anywhere else, find the inspiration from this video. Hopefully that helps you to push forward. As you guys know, I'm trying to help people become better every single day. And hopefully with today's video, I've done that for someone out there. This channel is mainly focused on money managing, budgeting, saving, investing, learning about stocks, crypto, ways to grow your money, ways to protect your money, all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, you can't do all of that stuff without being confident. I can't come on screen and come on camera and record these videos without being confident. It literally stems from that. So many good things, so many great things come from being confident. Ask any successful person as well. They're confident in what they do, they're confident in what they did, their confidence got them to where they are today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are looking forward to this week. Go out there and make it a great week. This is another week closer to the end of the month, and I know the months are coming thick and fast now, so hopefully you guys have built the confidence to go and attack this week relentlessly. As always, we have multiple different links in the description. Go check out my Discord. We talk about stocks, investing, cryptos, all that in there. Check out my stock option starter pack for those of you who want to start trading stock options. Also, please check out my links there through Robinhood, Coinbase, and KuCoin. You guys can get free stocks or free crypto through any of those. And of course, my socials are there. My Smarch company, TimeGate, is there. But yeah, the main aim for today, the main message of today was to be confident. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That is it from me. I got into making you got confidence to be showing. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.